Before I clean a machine, I fill a sink up with hot soapy water, so that's ready. Empty the bowl, take the lid off, disassemble the tap. All of these products then get put in the sink to get washed. Take the side off. I lift the bowl up slightly to get clear of the front notches on the bowl. Put my fingers at the back and slide the bowl off. This can then go into the sink and get a complete wash, so you're washing all the residue off the inside of the bowl. Take the auger off. You can take this out as long as you remember it goes back in there. That gets a wash as well as the auger. And this can come off and get a wash as well. The back seal can come off because you get grease stuck in these fins that can go into the sink and get a wash. And then I get a hot soapy towel and then come back to the machine and wash through any product that might be sitting in the tray here. Wipe it down, clean it, and then get ready for reassembly.